Alright guys, this is just going to be a quick tutorial on the 3D viewer from Chief Architect. Basically when you have your link, get it by email, whatever, you're just going to paste it in your top browser using Safari. I'm on a Mac, and then here you go, you've got it open up. First thing you want to do is click load model, but here at the bottom left you'll see it should say your project number, your project name, your address, however it was put in. And here it is loading up, little branding. Now this can take a minute, so we're going to fast forward through it real quick. And there we go. So in this view, it's easiest to zoom in, zoom out. If you have a scroll button on your mouse, that's definitely the quickest. You can see there's not very much detail here, so what you're going to want to do is go to your camera, or your rendering techniques, and go to your standard. And from here you can see there's a lot more detail. You can see the rock, the siding, the roofing, some textures, wood grain, all that. And this is just I'm clicking the left mouse button and rotating around the home, which is the easiest way. The next rendering technique is the glass house. It takes a lot of load, so we'll fast forward through this. And this is a pretty cool feature. From here it's basically like an X-ray machine. You can see some of the framing and the rafters going on. You can see through the house, each room. It's a pretty neat feature if you want to see through things. We'll go back to standard because that's the view you're going to want to be in. Alright, let's go back. And in cameras. So in cameras, this is going to be whatever cameras came with your 3D model. So they're a quick way to get to each room, like kitchen. You can go to each one. We'll just go through them pretty quickly and look around. You got your living room, your master bath. Just look around here. Your master bedroom. And I added stairwell, mostly just because I really like the design of these stairs. No other reason for it. And camera one's going to be your original camera that started with, so that'll bring you back out to when you load it up how it looked. So we'll go through some of these cross-section features. Each one is a different angle. This is from the top. And using a slider, you can actually break down the house layer for layer. As we look at it from the top, you can actually see the furniture and everything break away, separate. We'll go through a few of these. We'll just go through all of them really quickly. But basically that's what it does. On the next one, you have to turn them off though as you go. If you leave one on, it'll do two sections, and you'll see that in just a moment. And from here, you got a side cross section. Of course, just use the slider and you can take away and you can see each room. This makes it really good to view things without other things in the way. Another one from the other side. And you notice how I didn't turn off the first one, so you'll see half the garage is cut off on the left. So what we need to do is we have to turn that off. You always got to turn off them. And then a quick one from the back does the same thing from the rear. Alright, and then from this little button here, you're going to have your overall plan layout. And in the bottom left, you can switch floor, second floor, back down to the first floor, and just kind of see your whole plan. That button is basically going to take you right back to your original view from the outside. Alright, now this is a walking view, so you can basically walk around using your left mouse button and clicking the little arrows. This is much easier to do once you're in the house, so we'll click a kitchen camera. And we'll go into our little view, look around, and here we go. Now we can actually walk in stride left and right just by moving it. And to look around, you can either click the mouse button or use this little control on the right as well. We'll take a look around, and you can't actually just walk upstairs. It'd be kind of difficult, so the one thing you can do is just hit up, and you are in on the second floor. And one thing you'll notice in the top right portion of the screen, there's a little map. That kind of tells you where you're at in the house, so you can see. So say we want to go to the bathroom, you can see the two sinks there. You can walk through walls, obviously, that makes it the simplest to get into things quickly. And you just walk forward, and here we are in the bathroom, as you can see from the top right. Now it's kind of hard to see where we're at on the screen, so we'll just take a look around, and there we are in the bathroom. And go back to our original view, take a quick look around again, and that is basically all the features of 3D Viewer and exactly how to control to look at your house.